Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you some fun items that I found from over at Fansells. So I'm excited for this little mini haul. I've got 4 little kits, and I think they're all very cute, and some are kind of newish to me because they're just things that I tried to pick things that I normally wouldn't. A couple of them are pretty standard, but anyway, you'll see. All right, let's get into it. So let's open up this first one here. It is, ooh, this canvas is so buttery soft. That's such a weird expression. Why buttery soft? I mean, I get that butter is soft, but I don't want to stick my fingers in it. Ew. All right, anyway, standard toolkit, boat plate of wax pink pen. It is a special drill kit, as you can see. And let's look at this beauty. It is just this cute little mandala. So it is nice and sticky where you need it to be, but I just love the colors, the pinks and the little like corals and yellows and purples. I just thought this would be a really pretty kit. So it's 30 by 30. Let's see what it measures. It is 25 by, I'm gonna go out on a limb and guess 25, yes. 25 by 25, there's only 8 colors, and it has the crystal codes along with the special drill codes. So it looks like we've got 4 special drills and then 4 regular crystal rhinestones. So let me open the drills. Okay, so we've only got 8 drills, like I said. We've got a dark purple, we've got kind of a dark yellow, a dark orange, a clear, and then we've got our 4 special drills. We've got a red marquee shaped, a large clear round, we've got green marquee shaped, and then large purple rounds. This is, again, one of those easy finishes for me, quick and easy. I love that. So yeah, and this one was $4.34. And as usual, I will stick links down below to all of these so you can check them out. All right, let me grab the next one. All right, this one is kind of a departure for me. It's also a special, so not that it's a departure in that way, but it's just not, again, the canvas is nice and soft. It's not as soft as the mandala, but it is nice and soft and easy to roll up. So we've got our standard toolkit, boat, pink pen, plate of wax. It is a special drill kit. Ooh, it's got those little tiny teardrops in it. Let's see. And here is this beauty. Now, I've done butterflies before, but I don't think I usually pick ones that are green. Green is not a favorite color of mine, and so I just don't tend to pick things that are green. And I saw this one and thought, you know what, it's pretty, I should try it. Get out of my comfort zone, right? It's a 30 by 30, so let's measure. It is 25, again, gonna guess by 25, yes. It only has 6 colors, and it looks like we've got 4 special drills by the codes and 2 regular rhinestones. It's nice and sticky. This one will go super fast because it is only 6 colors in their special drills. So let me get the drills out. All right, we've only got 6. So we've got, of course, green rounds. We've got large green marquee. We've got those very tiny little green teardrops. And then we've got this 2 bags of these kind of red iridescent teardrops. That's all these tiny little flowers. That'll be pretty. And then we have 2 different shades of green regular rhinestones. We've got like a spring green and then a dark green. So again, another one of these, what I like to call quick win kits. This one was also $4.34. And let me grab the next one. This one is probably what I would call another departure for me, just because, ooh, again, this is soft and nice to roll up. Probably equivalent to the butterfly, not as soft as the mandala. So standard kit, tool kit, boat plate of wax pink pen. And then of course we've got our special drill kit. Now this one is a departure for me because it's an insect. I tend to try and stay away from insects. I don't like what's that old, oh, what's his name? Jim Stafford song, I don't like spiders and snakes. Yeah, that'd be me. Oh, and it's kind of the same thing. It's got these little star or flowers all around, and then this time we have 8 colors though, and it looks like there's an AB. So we've got 2 regular crystals in AB, and then we've got 5 special drills. All right, so it's 30 by 30 as well. Let's see what this one measures out to. 25 by 25, of course. And let me check and see how sticky it is. It is nice and sticky where you need it to be. All right, so let me pull out the drills. So we've only got 8 drills in here, but some interesting colors. So we've got, of course, a yellow and then an orangish yellow. And then there's our AB. It's a black AB, which I'm going to guess is probably the legs and antenna. And then we've got a yellow star, a big bag of blue teardrop shape. Say that 3 times. And then we have yellow, kind of antique gold, marquee shape large. We've got gold round, and then we've got some red round. So yeah, we've got the blue, the red, the gold, and then that kind of black AB. Yeah, I can't really wait to see how this and the butterfly turn out. And this one is also $4.34. Hey guys, editing me here, and I managed to finish one of the projects, so I wanted to show it to you guys. So here it is. Look, I finished the Dragonfly. It actually was a lot simpler than even I thought it was going to be. It didn't take very long at all. The body went really quickly, of course, because it's these big marquee shaped, and then putting in, I actually really like all of these little teardrop shapes, even if it did get a little tedious towards the end. But I have a lot of fun with the special drill shape. So doing all the stars and then all of the gold rounds here and the red rounds, those were a lot of fun. And then of course, all of the little legs here are, and the antenna are the black ABs. I thought those turned out really cute. So I'm really happy with it. This gives another check mark for me for another finished item, and I thought I'd show it to you guys. Back to the rest of the video. All right, and then the last one that I have is probably more my regular style. You know, I just see these cute things and I can't resist. I wish I could find a couple more that have the glasses on them so that I could add them to my sister's collection, but... So pretty soft canvas. Again, not as soft as the Mandala, but probably about as soft as the butterfly and the dragonfly. So we've got standard toolkit, boat plate of wax pink pen. Ooh, these drills come in baggies. Look at that color scheme. And here is this cute kit. You know me, I'm a sucker for cute. That's probably why I worked in a preschool. Because let me tell you, preschoolers can have an attitude. All right, so this is also a 30 by 30, so let's measure it really quick. This one is a full drill instead of a partial. So this one is almost 25 by, yeah, almost 25. It's like 24.75 centimeters. It is nice and sticky. It does have a white background, which again is not my favorite, but they have done it with the eye symbol, so that makes it easy to cover up. But I just thought these 2 little tigers were so cute with the little hearts. We've got 18 colors, and we do have the DMC codes, so that's nice. Let's open the drills and see. All right, let's look at our colors here. We've got black. That's not a ton of black, so that's nice. We've got a dark red, a dark peach. We've got a dark gray, a light gray, a butterscotch color, a very pale sage green, a pale yellow, a light blue, and that's a very, very pale, I almost say gray, but it's got a bit of a greenish tinge to it. All right, and then we have pink. We've got some very dark brown, some blush pink, some baby pink, a light blue, and then we've got an off-white, some yellow, which is, I'm going to assume, the tigers, and then we've got our big bag of white here for the background color. So there we go. Let me get these back in the bag and then we'll do a recap. Oh, and this one was $3.72. So just to recap, we've got our cute little tigers here. We've got our very pretty kind of gold dragonfly here. We've got our green butterfly, and then we have soft canvas purpley mandala. So as usual, I will stick links to all of these below so that you guys can check them out. I'm so excited. Fansells usually has a lot of stuff to choose from, and I've always had good luck with their kits. So there you go, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.